let's take how we can be able to remove duplicate elements from an array. For that, let's take an integer array. Integer array is equal to like 1 comma 1 comma 5 comma 5 comma 6 comma 6 comma 7. Okay. So the output should be like 1 comma 5 comma 6 comma 7. So we need to remove all the duplicate elements from the integer array. What we can be able to do is we can be able to make sorting as well, but here we need to reduce the complexity. So for that, what we are going to use is we are going to convert it into a list of integer list is equal to arrays dot stream of what array. Okay, we have created a so this array dot boxed. So we need to use box with two collect. Like we have to collect it into a list. So simple arrays dot stream dot boxed collect with respect to we are just making into a list. As of now, we have just converted this arrays into list. Over here, what we are need to do is like again I need to store it in an output array. So okay, sometimes if we need to convert into an integer array, so we need to do that now. So let's see this. Otherwise, like we can use like list dot stream. So I'll just clearly tell you like list dot stream dot map to int. We need to use it map to int of what integer to. So integer into get int value integer which is into like we have to use int value, so through which also we can be able to convert our map to int. Okay, we have done it. Again what we need to do is so we have mapped it and we are going to use like for each of, or we have to convert it into arrays like two arrays. Okay, we have written like map to int dot to array. That's it. So through which we can be able to convert it into primitive array itself again after processing. Uh, so after this, what we need to do is we'll just create a for loop. So for that, for int I is equal to 0 and I'll be having I is equal to output dot length and I have I plus plus. So over here, let me print like system dot out dot println output of I plus space. That's it. So through which we can be able to achieve it. Let's run this. Okay. So here we are about to remove all the duplicate elements. The major thing is we need to use distinct. So distinct is very important. I'll use it to get it. So like distinct, but that's it. So through which we can be able to get. I'll just remove this. Distinct dot to array. I have converted it. Let's run this. Okay, we had only the distinct elements wherein all the duplicate elements were removed. So for that, what we need to do is simply we are just converting it into a list of integers with the help of box the keyword with collect collectors.toList. We can be able to collect all these integers and convert into a list, and we will be having like integer of output is equal to list.stream.map to int. So we'll be having this, and that's how we can be able to convert.